Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Kia Optima and you're trying to find where the fuses for the BCM are located. You may have up to 4 or 5 fuses. Stay with us, we'll cover each one of them. We'll explain where they're located in case you need to remove or replace them. If you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, parts for your Kia Optima, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can buy all that from for a really good price and quick shipping. That's where we get all the parts and tools from. Also, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, the plan, guys, on that Kia Optima is to make at least 200 free electrical and diagnostics videos, and they will be published on the channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live. And we'll have more than 300 videos where we'll be taking the engine apart, the car apart, and all that will be on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics. So please check it out, subscribe. We'll have so much helpful information coming on this vehicle there as well. So let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle next to the footwell, you can see that fuse box, okay, right here. Remove that cover and that's where the fuses are. So as I said, guys, I'll turn the light off. We actually took a picture inside, okay, of the fuse box so we can show with a great detail where things are located, because otherwise it's practically impossible to stick the camera in there and show you, okay, where the fuses are located. But that BCM, guys, actually you may have 3 fuses that can throw it inside, and the first one that we're looking at, okay, if you look on the back side of your fuse cover, okay, you will need to find one, okay, that actually says module 1, guys, module 1, and that will be the 4th row. Okay, you go 1 2 3 4th row, and then you go the 4th fuse down, 1 2 3 4. This 7.5 amp fuse, that's the one, guys, okay, that you need to check. That's one of them. Now you have another one, guys, okay, that's known as module, okay, it will be module 2. So if you come to the 5th row, 1 2 3 4 5, the very first fuse, that 7.5 amp fuse, guys, that's the one that you need to check as well. This one is for the BCM. And after that, guys, you have one fuse that's known as squawk fuse. You need to come to the 1 2 2nd row, 2nd fuse down. That 10 amp fuse, that's the one that you need to check as well. Those are, guys, the fuses inside. Now you have some outside as well. That's the fuse box that we need, okay, right here. We need to open on this side, open on that, pull it, and on the back side of the fuse box you can see the fuses printed, but we actually printed the paper here so we can show you with a greater detail, okay, what we're looking for. The next fuse, guys, okay, it's called B/UPLP. So it controls the BCM as well, okay, it controls the BCM as well, but most of you will never actually even think about that fuse, guys, because it's not named BCM, it's not module, it's not anything like that. So looking at it, guys, okay, it's that fuse right here, B/UPLP. It's a 10 amp fuse. So if you come right here to the fuse box, okay, the 2nd fuse right here, that's the one that we need. So we'll show you how to remove a fuse. Grab the fuse puller. You can use it for the inside fuses as well. Go ahead, pull the fuse, okay, and check it. We always recommend to test the fuses, guys. We have a special video that explains how to properly test the fuse and find out if it's good or bad in just a few seconds. And we'll put the link to that video in the description of the video below. Also, if you need to buy replacement fuses for a really good price, we'll share the link as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.